Alright, hello everybody, and I want to show you something. Take a look. Now, isn't that beautiful? Alright, you see, if you think that is beautiful, I want you to take a look at this. No, not this. This. No, isn't that beautiful? Alright, everybody, welcome to my channel again. It is original Kountry Boi. Alright, so this is original Kountry Boi again. Me there with sister
girl.
Country girl. You don't know, yeah man. And you see, we have a buckle because you don't know we have a whole heap of water here, but a rain water and thing. So guess what? We have a little spring, we call it a backyard river. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna head down to the river, get some little water for drink from the spring. You see how I do it, and we're gonna like have some chit chat while we're there on the river, take a little swim. Yeah, in this video mostly I'll be promoting my shirts. So yeah man, you know, prepare for all of that. Sister, what you want to say?
Country girl shirt them out there. Get yours right now.
Yeah, and by the way, me just now get a message from my brethren Kountry Boi of Germany. Say his shirt that he ordered just arrived. So people, when I wait for go getting a shirt now man. Greenish darling, I'm sorry I can't take you down to the riverbed, but boo, stay here till I get back. You see how she hot by the way, people. I don't know why this girl ever walk. You see how she a flash here after me flash here again. Flash here again. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Watch hot girl with buckle. Now water there yard. I joke about what we have water over here there people. We just have drinking. Yeah, we just have drinking. We have our own what? Irrigation system. Alright peeps. Anyways, me walk up. Yeah, we have struck water. Yeah man, this is like just the first phase of it. This is not the part that fascinates me. The part that fascinates me, you will see. But we have found water. Alright peeps, let's test the skills of Country Girl. Can she get over this boulder right now? She tests it. It is fit. And she goes gymnast style. Whoa, he nearly dropped while ago. Take off your reggae slippers to cross the little batch right here. Peeps, so one of my favorite spots of the river, I'm at the foot of it. And this is my beautiful backyard river, peeps. You have one hole. That is like a mini hole for the kids, I would say. You have the second hole, deep for like the babies. You have the third one up there, which I'll show you a bit closer. That's for the adults. And then the one at the top that you see flowing down, that one is for the lovers. So, if anybody's watching this and there's any love in the air, you can definitely go to the top one.
So now that you have taken a dip, Kountry Boi, I heard that you have started your Kountry Boi shirt merchandise. Tell me about that.
Yeah man, so Recently, me and my team, we started our Kountry Boi shirt line. So we have Kountry Boi. If you are a girl, we have Country Girl. If you come from Senton, we have a shirt with Jamaica on it, with Senton on it. Repping your parish. Yeah man, we also have it in the pullover, the hoodie type. So yeah man, basically we just launched it. So what I'm doing this video is to just say, you can go over to my website. I'll put it down in the description and you can go and purchase a shirt. Yeah man, so the cost of the shirt is for the shirt, like the regular t-shirt, premium t-shirts that is just like $30 US. And remember, it's your boy Kountry Boi, so if you don't want to support me, you go over and just buy it up quick. You see me? And the hoodies are like for $45 only $45. So yeah man, all in our video, use up in the credit card, put it to good use and support Kountry Boi and buy a Kountry Boi shirt. You see me? They don't know, so we are Jamaican youth and we are trying, representing from Jamaica. Alright, the water cool, but I gotta take a next step. When you know say you can't swim, but the water too enticing. Alright, so meanwhile Country Girl going the water peeps. There are some other things that I would love to talk about, like my grandpa, cousins and so on. Yeah man, they basically own majority of this place right here. Country Girl, what you just do? Country Girl, you go soak. You go soak. Okay. Yeah man, so that's just a little history of the river. Nobody drop now. Yeah. Last thing we have to do now is we're going to check up at the spring, because the spring does up a little bit more. We're going to full the buckle and I'm going to drink little water in my hand like a true dehydrated Jamaican. Kountry Boi merch. What a day. That's another phone. Yeah. Whoa, girl, I got it for you. And there was one for the slippers floating down the river. People, you know, tell me the last smarty will come a spring if they're not clever. Then take chocolate, you know, chocolate, like what them used to make Tickies and Kitty Cat, that's her name? X-Bar, Catch. Yeah, any chocolate you like. This is the leaf from the tree, alright peeps? Yeah man, we just have like a little channel. We know say yes and fresh water, drinking water, so we just like don't tamper with it. Yeah, but we yet still build a concrete sitting around it still. Hope that no defect. Yeah man, and this is the spring peeps. Yeah man. Alright, we have a bottle full of me agua peeps. Oh, remember say fresh water, we don't it up. Williams Peak, yeah man, Williams Peak. Williams Peak people, fresh drinking water, alright? Yeah man. Alright peeps. We've got our trophy. Yeah man, I don't know. Natural cat. Williams Peak water, okay? Williams Peak water, yeah man.
Fresh straight from the source.
Straight from the source, Mother Nature. If you take care of Mother Nature will take care of you. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video people. This is your boy, Original Kountry Boi,
and this
alongside
is your girl, Original Country Girl.
Yes, And people, please remember to like,
Share,
subscribe,
comment,
yeah, go buy a shirt.
go buy go buy a shirt.
Go buy a shirt, yeah, go buy a shirt. The man see. Go buy a shirt, yeah, go buy a shirt. Yeah man, people remember to go support our shirt, please. You see me, country boy, country girl. Yeah man.
Black owned business.
Black owned business people, as they would say. Go check out our shirt. Yeah man, and I hope you enjoy our beautiful river version of Kountry Boi. And peeps, yeah man, you'll definitely see I man again. Yo, peace.
Remember to stay safe, everybody.
Let's walk away in slow motion. What was that, Regina?
There was a bug on your back.
Yeah man, she just kill a mosquito power. But yeah man, my God for real though people. Little more, yeah?